I am Chief Sowore Osaru, the state chairman of the Social Democratic Party and the state chairman of the Inter-Party Advisory Council, IPAC, River State Council.
As IPAC chairman, are you satisfied with this timetable and reset?
Why will IPAC not be satisfied with this unveiling? What RISEC have done here today is to open up, in compliance with the judgment of the Supreme Court, to say that yes, this election will be reconducted. And IPAC and RISEC have done that in sublime compliance with the enabling statute, with enabling laws that backed election conduct in the state. And so if you look at what they have done, the time frame is in total compliance with the rules. And so we are saying that for them to, in the first place, within the shortest time that this Supreme Court judgment came up alive, to come up with this shows that they are very much a reliable body. Their proactiveness to come out and invite all of us today, less than 1 week, shows that yes, they know what they're doing. And so since they are ready to comply with the law and they have unveiled the timetable today, we as a recognized stakeholder, as IPAC in the state, we are ready to comply with provisions and as well as the guidelines provided by RISEC today.
Okay, as IPAC chairman, it means you're responsible for all the parties in the state, right?
I represent,
You represent
yes,
them.
all the parties
So
in the
can you
state.
confirm if we have all the parties on ground for this unveiling?
Of course, we have all the parties. Standing with me here is the secretary of IPAC, who is also the state chairman of Zenith Labour Party.
Is APC
Okay.
here?
Standing with me here is the state chairman of NROM, okay, who is a member of IPAC. There are other state chairmen here. You can see Hida Dukubo, the chairman of Labour Party. Yes, I saw the state chairman of APC there in the hall. Yes, I saw him in the hall. He was present in the hall. Chief Emeka Beke was in the hall. I saw other state chairmen in the hall.
PDP?
They are entitled to be here. Okay? This is an invitation extended to every political party, and they are here. They are here.
Thank you.
All the parties are here.
Are you, as a party chairman, are you satisfied with the recently unveiled timetable for a rerun or a fresh election for the LG? Are you good to go?
Well, it's a fresh selection, and if you go, you heard the chairman of RISEC give the justification for his choice of date. So if by law that protects all of us, the parties and the people who will run the elections, why not? It gives everybody ample time. So people are not in that die-hard speed and rush. It gives us time, at least 5 full months.
Are you ready for another election?
Well, here we will do it. If that's what we have to do, we have to do it. Everybody has to do what one has. You can't shy away from a responsibility if it comes.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Your name and designation?
My name is Hilda Dokubo, Chairman Labour Party, Rivers State.
I'm not happy about the date. Why 5 months? When the Supreme Court, even though I'm not a lawyer, like I said in my first interview, I'm not a lawyer, but I know that it's 3 months, they said, and so if it is 3 months, we're expected, the election is expected to hold in May, in May or June, not August, June, not August. August from today, from March 5th to 5th of August is 5 months, in my opinion. I don't know. You can fact check it.
So is it
So it is too much. It is too much. People are not happy. Local governments that conducted free, fair, and credible elections, that the Supreme Court, in their wisdom, gave judgment and said we should go back and do another election, and then they are giving 5 months. On what grounds are they giving these 5 months rather than the stipulated 3 months? I'm not happy about the 9th of August.
Honorable Nature Dumale Kenge. I'm the chairman of PRP in Rivers State. People's Redemption Party.
All right. Now, as a party, are you satisfied with these guidelines unveiled by RISEC?
Yeah, we are satisfied because we also had an impression during the last election that the election was not properly conducted. And so because of the interest of the people at the grassroots, it's important for a date for a re-election to be fixed immediately so that there will be government presence at the local government, because without the local government, actually, you can't do anything about governance.
Okay, so what's your call on RISEC in order for them?
Yes, I want RISEC to do the needful, so there will be no vacuum, there will be no lacuna for reoccurrence of the Supreme Court judgment against Rivers State. I want RISEC to look inward and look at the areas they did not properly articulate, the areas they could not cover, and make sure there is no mistake anymore in the election that will be done the 9th of August. So I'm calling on RISEC basically as a chairman of political party to make sure that they make all the corrections and correct all the mistakes they made in the other election so that people will be able to stand and defend them when the need arises.